fries with your order?
Yeah, I had a small fry.
You had a small? Right.
Oh! I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, you're
Yeah,
still waiting on your small fry also.
Yeah, I had a small. I'm sorry. Y'all niggas shut up.
This nigga's dumb.
You hit that bitch on purpose?
Yes.
Okay.
I should have got it. Should have got the ice cream code too.
Hell yeah. This nigga
I'm sorry.
So, you stuck your hand out like that. You snap that bitch like that.
You gotta see it, bro. You gotta go on YouTube and look at it.
Oh man. This was my
That was so smooth because she had that other shit ready to get to it.
She
too.
did.
It's sick. Oh shit, I'm sorry.